Unfortunately, we lost the three matches, but we played brilliantly in those matches as well. Sir, I can assure you, I've worked very hard for that. So, I've put in a lot of practice sessions. I've had a lot of talks with the coaches as well. It may seem easy, but I know when I bat there are a lot of challenges, and I'm very happy the way I'm progressing right now. It feels great. I mean, my dad has come for every international game that I've played. The support from his side has been amazing, and it feels great, to score a century in front of him. Winning, matches for India, playing in that blue jersey, that has always been the dream for me and for him as well. So it's actually very great. I'm very happy that it all happened today. Regarding Richa is absolutely fine. Unfortunately, she got her finger injured. During the match, she was keeping some white ball, and I think she hurt her finger. But it's not that serious. It was like on-field injury, something like that. Regarding her practice sessions, she is perfectly fine. She's enjoying her batting. And on the conversation with, putting Jemmy first, I think she did an amazing job today. She got those runs which we needed the most. And she's the home girl. Like, she has played a lot of cricket here, and she knows everything around here. So I think it was a great move. Nothing. We were having this discussion to have believe in ourselves, that we can, win the match anytime at any moment. And we have those kind of players. Like we have those match winners who can score big runs and who can take a lot of wickets. So I'm very happy that it all worked out for us today. And I just hope that it continues. The environment in the dressing room is amazing. The kind of support that I get from my teammates and the coaches is just commendable. I mean, it's them, because of them, that I'm able to express myself freely onto the ground. So I'm very happy the way everything is working out for us currently, and I genuinely got to know after I came out that I have reached a milestone. So I don't look at milestones. I love to win matches for the team, and that's what I do. So I want to point out that we were playing amazing cricket since we started the tournament. We had different match winners, like Deepti in the first match scored. Aman helped us out. Unfortunately, we lost the three matches, but we played brilliantly in those matches as well. So I think it was due for us, and I'm very happy that we all came together and won the match for our country. Regarding the strike rate, there are certain templates that I like to play on. So I've had a lot of discussion with the coaches. I've had n number of talks with how I can progress with my game, what's my contribution to the team. So in that front, I think I just try to contribute whatever is best for the team. Initially, yes, there were a bit struggle with me personally. I was not able to middle the ball as well as I could do in the previous matches. But I'm very happy the way that I kept my nerves. I held my head down and just focused on everything that come my way. With Smriti, obviously on the other hand, it makes my job easier. Whatever the calculations that we do out in the middle, you don't have to do much. You just get it by just talking. That what areas to target, whom, like what all the bowlers that we can target. So it's an amazing partnership. I feel every day is very different for every player. Unfortunately, things could not go well in our favor on that day, but I'm very happy the way everyone progressed today. When everyone was out in the middle, the whole intent was to get India through that line. So every day is different, and I feel whatever that works our way, we would like to continue it. The conversations are pretty simple. I mean, she lets me do what I do best, and I don't interfere in whatever she does best. So the whole conversation that happens when we are batting is the calculation part. How much to get in order to set up a big total, and when we are chasing, how to break down into fewer parts so that we can chase it easier. So she's pretty good with calculations, and I like to chip in whatever she has to say to me, and I think it's both ways. So we like to keep it pretty simple.